So, hey guys, I am Vaibhav Bajaj, SYBBA 014 Section A. This is the assignment of business startup and innovation, and my startup is Swiggy. So, we're going to talk about Swiggy. So, Swiggy was founded in 2014 and now it has a valuation of around $3.6 billion. So, it has become a unicorn. So its headquarters is in Bangalore, and there are 218,000 employees, and it also runs subsidiaries like Food Ventures, Tech Labs, Scootsie, Kint.io, etc. So background and founder. So Swiggy background is like there were two people, Shri Harsha Mejeti and Nandan Reddy. In 2014, they started a company known as a Bundle Technology. This was actually a logistic aggregator startup, and it was to focus on the local delivery and delivery solution. But the thing is that this startup failed because of the companies like Amazon and Flipkart, and they were facing a lot of issues, and so they had to close down this startup. Then they reached a technical expert named Rahul Jemani, and then they founded our startup, which is known as Swiggy, which is a food delivery startup, and they started it in August 2014. So now it's 2020, and in 6 years, Swiggy has reached around $3.6 billion valuation. So there must be good reasons for its success. The first and major good reason for success is the logistics and the delivery partners. So most of the other companies like Zomato, Uber Eats, all of them have tied up with the logistics. Swiggy has its own logistics and delivery partners. So they were the first one to go into this food delivery business. The other companies had something else as its business, like the Uber Eats had something like the taxi as its business. The Zomato was a restaurant finder and not a food delivery business. They eventually got into food delivery, and the team of founders was very good. The two, along with the technical expert Rahul Jemani, they built a very nice team with marketing, finance, tech, all the aspects of a major startup covered. Their business model is very sustainable. We'll talk about their business model in the next slide. And it's a very customer-centric company. It likes to keep its customers first in every way. So the business model of Swiggy is that how they earn money. There are various ways. Like first, they earn money from the commissions from restaurant. Like they take some 15 to 20% commission from the restaurant for their sales. Then second is the delivery charges. So there are free deliveries, but if you have to order far, you have to pay them the basic delivery charges, and so they earn through that. Then cloud kitchens is that they have built-in kitchens for only food delivery. Then Swiggy super subscriptions and Swiggy Access is the prime features of the Swiggy app, through which these are the paid prime features. Then the advertisements, like those banner ads which the restaurants have to pay to list their food above the others. This is the way they earn money. And again, the affiliate marketing, like the HDFC ads and all those credit card ads, if you sign up with Swiggy on them, so they get a commission from it. There are other innovations as well, such as we can see the Swiggy Pop and the Swiggy Go. So Swiggy Pop is actually if you want to order food for only one person, so they give single serve meals, they give free delivery, and there are no extra charges. So this was a very good innovation which they come up with. And Swiggy Go is logistic delivery a solution, like you want to drop off your laundry, you can use Swiggy Go. So we all know that we are in the middle of the COVID-19 pandemic, and so these are a difficult, tough time. So what did Swiggy do? They made sure that the customer are safe. They made sure there are security badges. They made sure there are customer temperature tracker. They made sure that the outreach is good. They made sure there is no contact delivery. They made sure that they agree with all the government norms. And hence we see that we are in middle of pandemic as well. We are ordering food through Swiggy. So that's it. Thank you.